How do I replace Notepad in Windows 7? I use Notepad 2. I love Notepad 2. How do I replace Notepad with Notepad 2 in Windows and NBSP 7, so I never use the old version of Notepad again?
Oh, why, of course, Notepad Replacer.
Use the Notepad 2 Modifications installer. It works on 32-bit and 64-bit. This Notepad++ wiki page also has a step-by-step guide for Windows and NBSP, XP and Windows and NBSP, Vista, which also works on Windows and NBSP 7.
If you want to make sure you are using Notepad 2, go to a file that you would typically use Notepad 2 for and right-click in GT, Properties. Then where it says Opens with, select Change and select Notepad 2.
As of this post date, the recommended approach to replace Notepad with Notepad 2 on Windows 7 is best described here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.